Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. We're here to do our weekly rebate haul, and I'm actually going to be doing my midweek moneymaker bonus instead of my weekend warrior because I have a doctor's appointment and it's pretty important thing. So also I got a $5 for 10 offers on my account, and I've already gotten 4 rebates. So I only need 6 rebates today. So we're going to be getting some fun things, I think anyways, and we'll do a couple additional deals as well. We'll see if I can get back to the store on Friday. Probably not. Probably not. But anyways, that is really it. If you're having issues with Fetch, or not really issues with Fetch, I seen an email circulating around social media, and it said that not just offers, but partnering brands can vary by account. Now, this email come out, someone got in October, but it explains what's happening where, like on one of my Fetch accounts, all of my really good partnering brands like Dove, Axe, Suave, Cottonelle are all gone. They're just gone. They're not even a brand anymore on my account. So I don't know why that's taking effect now, or we're just noticing it now. But that is the word from Fetch, that partnering brands can vary, not just offers. So that is unfortunate. So anyways, as always, offers vary by account. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And then, of course, if you're not new, thank you for returning. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. The first deal we're going to do is on the Chic Precision razors. They're in the men's section. They're $6.47. We have a $4 coupon on the coupons.com app, but I have a printable that I'm going to try instead. But definitely use the coupons.com app if you have that on there. Actually, I do have the offer on the coupons.com app, so I'm going to do that. Then we have a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making use free and a 53-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to grab them both because it is a limit of 2. So definitely grabbing that. So next we're going to get the Dove hand soap, as if there was a doubt that I was not going to get this. So I'm going to get 4. I would get 4 antibacterials, but I also like the aloe eucalyptus, so I'm going to get 4, and that's going to equal out to, I'll put the total what it's going to equal out to for the 4 of them. But I'm going to use the buy one get one free coupons from the March Unilever insert, and that'll take off $7.94. So let's grab the ones that we're going to grab. Then we're going to get back $1 for each one of them on Ibotta. Then I'm going to get back 75 cents back on Fetch for 3 of them because I only have 3 offers left. So that's going to make all 3 of them just $1.69. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So next we're going to grab the Revlon Illuminates Foundation. This is a new product, and they're $13.48 in my store. Some colors I think are ringing up like $1 cheaper, which would be great. But anyways, sorry if the music is loud in this section. Sometimes it can get really loud. But anyways, this is $13.48, and we're going to use a $4 printable. Now, I'm using a printable because I don't have I used it already on coupons.com. But you can use it on coupons.com or Shop, ma'am. I might just do that. But anyways, then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $7. So I'm going to grab this one here. It doesn't look like it's been opened or anything. So that's going to make these just $2.48. But if you're not interested in color and just getting something like this really, really cheap, I would scan to see if you can find some that are priced a little bit cheaper. Just, I don't know the colors, unfortunately. So we're going to go for the Axe Fine Fragrance Deodorant, which I know we're all getting this, but I mean, it's such a good money maker. So anyways, I think I'm going to go for the maybe the coconut, I'm not sure. But they are priced at $5.97. Getting 2 of them will cost you $11.94. We're gonna use this buy one, get one free coupon. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the coconut. And actually, these ones are priced at $5.98 instead of $5.97. It's gonna be 2 cents off. Hold on, let me grab this one. So then the coupon will take off $5.97. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta and we're good back $3 on each one. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch and I'm gonna get back $2.50 on each one. So that's gonna make these free and a 503 moneymaker or like a 502 moneymaker. My math is for the $5.97 ones, not the $5.98 ones. So they're just a few cents more, but it's fine. A $5 moneymaker is great. It'll pay for my soap, it'll pay for my foundation. We're good. So next I'm gonna grab some tea. Now this isn't the best deal, but we got the Axe deodorant to help pay for it. So I'm down with that because my stepkids love this tea. We just ran out and we had gotten some from Sam's because they love it so much. But anywho, like that even matters. But this tea is $6.48. It looks like they're all $6.48. They got tons of different kinds, tons of kinds here. So I actually like half and half. But anyways, we're gonna get this here for $6.48. We have $1 back on the coupons.com app. There's also printables. And then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for another $1 back, making it $4.48. So you are saving $2. If you do it with a haul like this, then it'll be even cheaper. So it's definitely a good deal. So let's put it in the cart. And the next thing we're gonna grab is some wipes because I think it's a good thing to add on my transaction. I don't know. I think it'd be a good thing to have. So they're $2.27. There's 50 cents back on Ibotta. I'm just gonna grab one. I don't have any coupons for it, but that will complete everything that I need today for my $5 bonus. Of course, it's not very much, but you know what? Sometimes that's all you need. So I'm happy with everything that I got, especially the soap and the foundation and the tea. So I'm really, really happy with it. So let's go check out and see how everything goes. I actually forgot about this freebie. It's still on my account. It reset, I think. But I'm gonna grab it because it's an offer and it's completely free. And I think I'll put back the wipes because these end up being much cheaper, of course. Maybe I'll keep the wipes, we'll see. All right, now let's go check out. Okay guys, so we're back in from Walmart and the only issue I had was with the Axe coupon. It didn't go through. It just said, please set aside for further assistance or something like that. My store does not have the newer systems, although I think when I was at Jody's store, it did. So I don't know. But I did see on Sister Saving You Cents that if your store has the new one and you have the Axe coupon, scan it with the hand scanner, which I tried to do that to see if it'd work, and it didn't. But they said it worked for them at their store. So if you have the newer systems, I would definitely try that. It's worth a shot. But there's been a lot of times where I've had coupons that were, you know, like that or over $5, and I didn't have to have anyone come to me. So this is actually a really simple breakdown and haul. I only used Ibotta, Fetch, and coupons.com. No Shopkick. I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go simple because you should see all the stuff I have. I need to have a sale very, very soon. But there's a lot of Shopkick deals that you can do with your coupons. So there's a lot of deals going on this week. I just didn't need to get a lot. So I'm just going to show you I just showed you a little simple haul. And I think I'm crooked because, so all my coupons come off like I said. But what I did is I scanned the items and then I scanned the coupons just to be on the safe side. Also, before I tell you the breakdown of my haul, I did put back the wipes because I would rather have the freebie. I would rather have the freebie than the wipes. So my total after all of my coupons was $43.30. I got back $28.98 on Ibotta. So I did have to verify the Axe deodorants and the Schick Precision little guys, but it came through, you know, it went through totally fine. Then I got my midweek moneymaker bonus. I'll get back $7.25 on Fetch. I don't have my tablet with me to scan my receipt. If I get a little extra than that, you'll see that right here. And then $1 on coupons.com for the Lipton tea. And that's it. I didn't have any Shopkick offers for the Axe deodorant here, but if you do, then, you know, that would be even a better deal. There, got that out. So that makes my total for everything just $1.07. And I would gladly pay $1.07 for that foundation, which is a new product, and I love to try the new products out. I would pay $1.07 for the 12 pack of tea. I mean, I think it's good. So anyways, it really doesn't matter if it's free or a moneymaker every week. If you get items that you like or want or use, then that's all that matters. And it doesn't matter if it's $5 or a $5 moneymaker. Now, I like to get moneymakers and then use those moneymakers to pay for the stuff I really like. But it's all on how you like to coupon. So that's what's great about couponing, is that we can tailor it to fit our needs and our wants, and it doesn't have to be the same as everybody else. So anyways, that's all I have for you today, guys. So it's a real short video, but I'm glad I came this week. I missed last week, but anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.